everybody, week 28, June 6th, 2023. In the garage, working on the Flybaby biplane. Got like all the tail surfaces from the old plane exposed, 99% of the hardware off. Now that the wings are off the old plane, I was able to get to that bracket. That obviously is where the wing goes, right there. So got the rear brackets home, drilled them up, and surprisingly, the metal brackets from the original plane actually lined up real well. So that's a good thing. And today I opened up the control stick hole and kind of sort of placed my walking beam down there. I'm probably going to use this 3/8 block ply spacer so that when I go full forward stick, I still have a little bit of clearance off the cross member. Right now, without that 3/8 ply, that gets a little close, and I'm going to just kind of step it off a little bit. Also, after I cut out all my floorboards, did I realize, and put them in here and stain, put a varnish on them and put them in here, did I realize that, well, the forward grain is running left to right, and back here on these floorboards, they're all fore and aft. So, it's not going to be a show plane. I'm probably going to put down some kind of floor mat anyway, to protect it from scratches and whatnot. So, not a big deal. I could go back and redo all those floorboards and, spend all kinds of extra time making this as pretty as possible. But I want to get in the air, and that's definitely not something that is going to bother me at all, one bit. So anyway, that's about where I'm at. My messy workbench again, it was all cleaned up a week or two ago. One thing that I do is I jump around too much. I need to stick to like one section. So I'm going to concentrate now. This is parts of the horizontal stabilizer and rudder pieces. So I'm going to finish the empennage and get those done, and then probably concentrate on the wings. So that's where I'm at. I hope everybody out there is safe and trying to keep cool in the summer heat. And we will talk to you soon. All right. Thanks for watching.